What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see here, today we have the Texas editions. Well, why we have the Texas editions, you might ask?
That's so great.
This shit came back, boys. Look at, ooh, I won't even let you fucking, won't even let them see what's under here. I act like it's a big ass motor and shit.
Compared to us.
There it is, my boys. We got it back. We're about to be on some cagapalo shit. Right now, we're just gonna get these stocks off, and we're gonna go back to the Texan editions only for tomorrow for the Kearney Park Meet. So y'all stay tuned for those clips. What is up, guys? So it is currently 10:44 right now. Crunch time for tomorrow's meet. We got these bad boys on. All we just need to do is we need to give it a wash. Give it a nice clean wash. Finish loading up everything for tomorrow. Ahí tomamos la agüita para que se relaje, cut. Right now we'll get back to you guys. Or not even right now, we might get back to you guys tomorrow. I'm just gonna give it a wash and everything, and that's it. Right, guys, so as you can see, it is the next day. We clearly made it. The truck made it out. Truck made it out, but on Monday it might go back to the shop. Technical difficulties on the way over here. But you guys check out our little setup. There it is, guys. Make sure you stop by, get some candy. What's up?
You don't let me read again?
Yeah, I gotta turn it on.
Let me get your cash up. I'll send some money for gas.
Guys, I have gas tank. That shit's hella small, bro.
Sure?
Yeah. I just gotta turn it.
Hey, I got you 20, bro.
Alright, then. Good luck.
I'm with you, bro.
Alright, I'm Will.
Nice to meet you, dude. Hey, you're MBS Candy, huh?
Yeah.
I got two Snapchat, bro.
I know. I don't want to see my green light.
I'm gonna ride the pit bike right now. Bad.
Hey, hold on. Huh? Hey, he said hold on.
No, let me get on. Stop it.
Oh, fuck. Crazy ass. That fool's gonna flip, güey. If anything, he's just killing his front tire.
Hey, no, you goddamn. I'll fix it, but I ain't gonna buy it.
Then what the fuck you put him?
If anything, I'll just hit you up when I get home.
What happened?
If anything, I'll just hit you up when I get home.
Yeah, just let me know, bro. Let me know. No, okay.
The bill's gonna be longer though, because you're taking
Hey,
time.
you can suck my
That's not your check.
No, hey, just let me know, bro.
Yeah, alright
Hey,
then.
I appreciate you letting me know.
Yeah, for sure. About time, fool. Yeah, I thought you were gonna come like tomorrow or something. Hey, park on this side, because everyone's swinging that way and everything's gonna hit you. This nigga's crazy. Y apenas la arreglaste. Hey, got down, got down. I see you. Te mando el video más rato, güey.
Hey, we have my charger for recording.
Huh?
Recording like it's fully. It's a little, it's a little cheap,
We'll take yours. What's up? Yeah, just got mango and gummy worms. You didn't go? What? Hold on. What's up, guys? So that's the end of that vlog. I hope you guys like the content. Yes, the truck is back, ladies and gentlemen. There's some minor adjustments that need to be made, but the truck is running. That's all that I really care about. Other than that, I'm not really tripping. But right now we're editing the vlogs. I'm gonna be posting it. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna have some better content coming, man. This this little adjustment we're making to this truck is bringing us some very good content. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe. Catch you on the next one, guys. Hold on, guys. Where are my manners? First off, I'd like to give a huge shout out to the team Centenarios from Fresno. They came through with the invite. They hooked it up. The boy Marcy even hyped me up a little, man. I don't know. Yeah, shout out to them. Very welcoming once again. This is part 2 of the Kearney meet. Hopefully next year there's a part 3. Last year it was a part 1. That one was cool. This year, man, this year was A1. Let's see how next year goes. Hopefully, you know, if God wants it, it'll be a next year. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next vlog. Subscribe, comment down below.